When it comes to keeping your hair healthy and vibrant, especially after multiple color treatments or styling sessions, finding a treatment that truly restores and nourishes can be a challenge. But what if there was a product designed specifically for that? Meet the Paul Mitchell Bond RX treatment, your solution for chemically treated and damaged hair. Now, I've been testing this deep conditioning mask for a few weeks, and I'm excited to share my findings. If you're tired of dealing with hair that feels weak, brittle, or overprocessed, this product might be the game changer you've been looking for. And before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest reviews from Beautyistic. The Paul Mitchell Bond RX treatment is an ultra-rich, nourishing hair mask that's packed with their patented Bond RX technology. This unique formula works on a deep level to reinforce the hair fiber, giving you stronger, healthier hair with every use. It's ideal for those with chemically treated hair, whether you've had color treatments, relaxers, or any other type of damage that leaves your hair dry and brittle. Plus, it's sulfate-free, so it's safe for color-treated hair, which is a huge bonus. So let's get into the experience. The texture of this treatment is smooth and creamy, and it feels luxurious as you apply it to your hair. It has a pleasant, subtle fragrance that's not overpowering, which I really appreciated. I applied it after shampooing, as per the directions, and left it on for the recommended 5 to 10 minutes. Immediately after rinsing, I noticed my hair felt softer and more manageable. It didn't feel weighed down or greasy, which is something I often worry about with deeply hydrating treatments. Now, let's talk about performance. I tried this treatment both on days when my hair was in dire need of rescue and on more regular days when it was just a bit dry. The mask worked wonders on both, but where it really stood out was when my hair was at its most damaged. After a color treatment, my hair usually feels a bit fragile, but after using this mask, I noticed it looked shinier, felt stronger, and even held on to that color vibrancy a bit longer. This is a treatment that you can feel working instantly. The difference was clear after just a couple of uses. However, no product is perfect. While I loved how soft and manageable my hair felt, I did notice that if I used it too frequently, it left my hair feeling a bit too soft, almost like it needed a little more texture. So, while it's fantastic for replenishing moisture, I'd recommend using it 1 to 2 times a week instead of daily, depending on your hair type. Is it worth the price? Absolutely, especially if you've been struggling to restore your hair after chemical treatments. The quality of the ingredients, plus the fact that it's color safe and vegan, makes it feel like a worthy investment. If you have really damaged hair, this product provides noticeable results, and the performance justifies the cost. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are a few other deep conditioners out there that also offer solid results, though they may not have the Bond RX technology. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but functional. The jar is easy to open and has a decent size, making it a good option for long-term use. I can see this lasting for a while, even with regular use. Is this product a must-have? If you have chemically treated or damaged hair, I'd say yes. This is a treatment you can rely on. It not only nourishes, but also helps protect your hair from future damage, which is exactly what you want when dealing with processed hair. The only downside is that it might not be necessary for those with healthy, non-treated hair, as it is really focused on intensive repair. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in giving the Paul Mitchell Bond RX treatment a try, the link to purchase it is in the description box below. I'd love to hear your thoughts if you've tried this treatment before, so drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.